So let's push the button. Oh my god, what happened? We're in the 4 years earlier. Cool. Again and again. We are in time. We're back in time. Okay. What's going on, guys? This is Satan, and today I will teach you 3 things to build a cool thing using command blocks. So this is how you build it. First, you need the command block. That is very important of them all. So you need the command block. We have the command block. So look at this machine. This is the time machine. Look. Oh, what happened? Okay. Oh look, there's the first earlier. Go right. Push the button. There's no button. Let's just go on here. Okay, you will be teleported in the morning. So let's go back. Hey, the pressure plate is broken. Oh, look. It's broken. Oh, we're back here. The pressure plate is broken. This is in the temple. Look. Okay. We're really in the temple. Let's go back. So all you need to do, there's another one. See, it will give you some stuff. So I don't need them. So I will teach you first how to build a time machine, like this. Look. There's a pressure plate here, and you can see there's the command block. So this is how you build. You put slash title and space and this and type and P and title and for you and say what you want to say here and type it and put a pressure plate on it. So you can do it. Okay. So in this command block, to make the time machine, you just need to put a time at 1000, whatever you want, and put it like that. So I will build. So the decoration will be all yours. Whatever you want. So I will make 900. Oh, Tige. Let's put on at 900. There we go. Only 900 and put it there. So now I build. Oh, somebody's going in my pressure plates. Oh, seriously, it's this sheep, this stupid sheep, stepping on the pressure plates so I can be rich. I don't need to stop reaching things. So here we go. Here, put your decoration thing. There we go. If you want to show this in your friends, I will do this. If I show this in my friends, push. Button, there we go. So look, see? Now, if you want to see the word 4 years earlier or in world, you can put this slash type. Let me show you last time. That's how you build it and put some whatever you want to tell. What can I write? Let's see if it's gonna work.
Ano bang?
There we go. Now put that, and there we go. 10 years ago. Okay, so let's put this the button, and now look, it's done. Our time machine. Oh, I forgot the notification. Okay, so there we go. 10 years ago. Let's put it like this. It's still many, so if something bad will happen in your Minecraft, don't do this. Oh no. 10 years. Okay, we're here. Where is my machine? Oh no. I need to go back in the time. Oh no. Go back in time. Oh no! The command block is broke. Okay. So now for the other time machine like this to the mine, all you have to do is like this. Okay, I'm going back. There we go. Now I'm going far away. So find wherever you want. Okay, so I made this decoration. So all you have to do is to make a spawn point here. Okay. Okay, so look at your spawn point.
And look at my new dog. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, there's no dog.